Guys, mayong magandang hapon sa inyo guys, magandang araw guys. Meron lang tayong i-demo guys kung papaano magpalit tayo ng shop seal ng motor pump. Yung problema niya may leaking po, so ang sira yun shop seal, so kailangan yun guys itanggalin. So i-demo ko lang sa inyo guys kung paano tanggalin guys. Ito guys, ito una natin tatanggalin to guys, mga bolt. Yan, ito guys, tatanggalin natin to guys. Ayan, okay. Ayan, demo tayo guys. Okay, ito lang yung tatanggalin natin guys. Ito, actually guys natanggal na to guys, pero demo ko lang kung paano kung paano ipapalitan ng shop seal. So ito yung tatanggalin natin guys. Ito una guys, yung cover nya guys. Ito tanggal na guys. Okay, natanggal na. Saka ito guys, yung lock nut, tatanggalin natin to guys. Actually pinalabot ko na to guys. Ito meron siyang guys. Ang ito din guys, mayroon ito na pin lock guys. Ito, tingnan nyo to, pin lock dito guys. So ito impeller guys. Yan, ito yung pin lock guys dito guys. Ito yan nakalagay okay. Saka ito na guys yung sira guys, shop seal guys. Ito yung papalitan natin guys, shop seal. So kailangan matanggal to guys. So ito guys, paano tatanggalan? Ito guys, so yung kasama guys, ito shop seal. Yung ito na papalitan to guys. Ito guys, ganito yan guys. Yan ito, pag may leaking yung pump ninyo guys, ito lang yung papalitan. Ito shop seal. So ang pagkalagay niyan guys, una mo to yung ceramics nya guys, ito yung una ilagay. Sunod ito yung rubber nya guys, yung para hindi magkaroon ng leak. Tapos itong